Haven't met. I'm the plant manager here for our facility in Headland. New to the area, been here just since about April, so just want to welcome everybody. Thank you for being here. We've got representatives from the city of Headland. We've got folks here from our business unit headquarters in Alpharetta, Georgia. You'll hear from some of them a little later following our introductions here. We've got folks from the state agricultural office as well, and then members from our Chamber of Commerce. And we appreciate everybody being out here. Also, our Headland Queens are making me look good back here, so we're glad to have you all here and welcome you here today. At this time, I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Greg Mills, the president of Golden Peanut, and he's going to say a few words.
Thank you, Alan.
Thank you, sir.
I just wanted to say thanks for coming, and I want to say that this marks a very important step for Golden Peanut and Tree Nut. Okay, we've made a significant investment in Headland, and it fits in with our vision and our mission of serving nutrition to the world, because the world needs nutrition. Nuts are healthy, they're affordable, and they're sustainable, and peanuts in particular are healthy, affordable, and sustainable. And this helps us bring supply chain efficiencies, get the farmer closer to the market, and helps Golden Peanut be more efficient to serve its farmers, and in particular helps us support Headland and make a commitment to the Headland community. And we're excited to be here. And at this time, I'd like to turn the remarks over to Grant Belden, who is kind of the leader of the project, and have him talk a little bit about Headland and what we went through to get here. But thank you very much for coming, and thank you for your support for Golden Peanut and Tree Nut.
Thanks, Greg. The first thing I would like to start off with is just thanking all the people that have worked on the project. For those who don't know, the community has been absolutely fantastic to Golden Peanut. The mayor, the president of the chamber, and others have been great in giving us support as we move further in this project. I just want to mention Bates Engineering, Elite Structures, TJ Erectors, CNR Specialties, Scarborough and Associates, Wiregrass Construction, Nolan Steel, and Higgins Electric. If we can give them a round of applause, I greatly appreciate it. I think one of the things that when you talk about a ribbon cutting ceremony, you sometimes look back at history, and you look at what is your goal of the project. Our goal in this specific project was looking at operational excellence and looking at being partner and being better efficient with how we manage our farmer stock and how we manage relationships with our suppliers, which then makes us more efficient with managing relationships with our customers. With that being the goal, we also have project names, and some of them are quite funny inside our company, and some of them are very specific. This project is called Project Red Iron, because of the amount of red iron that's here at this facility to be able to build such a structure, to be able to have a receiving pit that we have here, and to be able to handle the peanuts in the most efficient, but also keeping quality in mind as we go through the process. This facility will take about 800 trucks to be able to fill this facility, and so that's a lot of different transportation, a lot of potentially economic value. Me, for one, I'm from Alpharetta, Georgia today. I actually ate breakfast at the Copper Kettle downtown, so that is revenue that hopefully these trucking companies that come and visit will bring to the community. The history of this facility actually goes back to the early 1900s. It used to be a cotton oil mill. And just as you celebrate your Harvest Festival in Headland, we celebrate the history of what this site has really come to be. In the 1970s, this facility became a peanut shelling operation, and Golden Peanut procured or bought this facility in the early 90s. With that being the case, it is part of our overall strategy of making this facility as efficient as possible. This facility has 2 dump pits to be able to help farmers, and buying points to be able to unload during harvest, which is one of the biggest bottleneck areas in the whole peanut industry today. I want to thank you all for coming, for giving time, energy, support, but also for making Golden Peanut successful as well, because without the community, it makes it very difficult on a business, and having that support is very important. So thank you. Now if I can have the mayor.
And thank y'all for your investment here in Headland, and appreciate that tremendously. As we all know, agriculture is the foundation of our city and our community. And we just want to thank y'all, and thank the IDB board, and thank our chamber. Rhonda, thank you very much, and also thank our city council for making this project. And I hope this is not our last project.
Absolutely.
Thank y'all very much.
I'm going to ask Mr. Pete Cruz to come and say a few words representing our Chamber of Commerce. Yes, sir.
On behalf of the Headland Area Chamber of Commerce, I'd like to congratulate you on your new building. This is quite a structure. I'm very pleased to see our skyline changing in this manner. It's always great to be out there at the airport and see, buildings erected or in sight, and see things going in the right direction. So, on behalf of the Area Chamber of Commerce, congratulations. If there's anything we can do to help, just feel free to give us a call.